Today we'll be making a laser-ish kind of thing. Just with like a little emission texture in Blender. Just gonna tone that thing down. There. Like this emissive kind of material to it. So simple. First you just turn it from principle to emission. And it can turn up and down the strength. That's it. Now I'm just going to tell you how to use a fluid kind of simulation, but what most people kind of just don't get or don't know how to do is, hold on. So you can see how you got all this over here, but you don't, even in the render view, you don't see anything. Well, I guess. So you go to here, actually you go to a domain, and then you go to the, the physics tab, and then you turn on mesh. There. And there you have it. It's turned into a mesh. Right inside the physics simulation, just mesh, up-res factor. That turns up the resolution of the thing. I'm gonna set that back to 2. Now you can play around with the settings on this, like inflow or something, initial velocity. Whoa. Yeah, that really got everything. And there it goes, just shooting upwards. You can also do all sorts of other things, like make that 1. Yeah. So how to make that 5. Eat, I guess. Ooh, now you made yourself a fountain. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah. Make a emissive shader, and also just as a little other thing, this is the domain material for the liquid. I can change it to emission, I guess, and just it's kind of like emissive water or something. It's just everywhere. You can see how the light is updating in real time. So yeah, that's it. If you liked the tutorial, also just as a little bonus, I'm just using Unreal Engine just for playing around with. So I'm just starting to learn how to use Unreal Engine. And this is what I have in just like the past 2 days. These are supposed to be plants or something. I grabbed it from Unity Meshes. I had a collider. I'm trying to do crouching, I also did head bobbing and sprinting. So yeah, that's it. Why is my taskbar very flickering?